Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Home Depot. So let me take you to the website, which is homedepot.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Home Depot is a leading retailer offering home improvement products, tools, appliances, and building materials. They also offer services like in-store pickup, delivery, installation, and DIY project guides. Home Depot caters to both homeowners and professionals, making home improvement accessible and convenient. So what you're waiting for? If you're from US, you can come to the website, explore all about their different products and buy something for yourself if you like. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Home Depot. Possible? Why not? Simply join the affiliate program of Home Depot and start promoting them to audience your traffic. And when you bring sales to them, as usual, you'll receive commission. So affiliate from which country can join their affiliate program? Well, I didn't find any restrictions for that. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you should be able to apply to the affiliate program and you should be able to promote them. To the consumers of which country can you promote in order to receive commission? Well, you will only be able to receive commission if you're bringing sales to them from United States consumers. So how do you join their affiliate program? For that, let me take you to the website called Flax Offers. Now, what is Flax Offers and what does Flax Offers have to do with Home Depot? Flex Offers is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Home Depot, you have to join Flex Offers as an affiliate. Now, Flex Offers call affiliates as publishers and brands and advertisers, so don't get confused. How do you get yourself a free affiliate account or rather publisher's account with Flax Offers? For that, you can click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on Sign up for publishers and affiliate. Then you can complete the registration and get yourself a free affiliate or rather publisher account with Flax Offers. Now, I understand there are many nuances involved, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I had created a video on how to create affiliate account or publisher account with Flax Offers. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instructions from there, and get yourself an affiliate account with Flax Offers. Once you have an account with them, simply come to the website once again, hover over login, click on Publisher Login, enter your credentials, and get to something called Publisher Dashboard. Now, this is the place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Home Depot, but we will keep the focus of the video as Home Depot. So how do you find the affiliate program of Home Depot? For that, you have to look at the left-hand side menu bar and you have to hover over advertisers and you have to click on advertiser search. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can scroll down to the section advertiser search and within advertiser program name, you can start typing Home Depot. And from the drop down, you can select the Home Depot. Once you've selected, click on the search button. It will load the Home Depot affiliate program and you would be able to see the title. As you can see here, if you scroll down, you will see the description. If you scroll down here, you can see the payout description. So the payout is 0.8% of sales, including appliances and small electrics, and 6.4% for HD home products. So that means you could get anywhere between 0.8% to 6.4% commission on the sale amount. That's great. And if you want to see the program terms, you can click on this, view program terms. It will open the details. You can scroll down. You can see here about the commission rates. And if you click on terms and conditions show, you would be able to see the terms and condition as well. As you can see the region here. So if you're talking about it, you would only be able to get commission if you bring sales to Home Depot from United States consumer. And if you scroll down, you can see other policies related to trademark keywords, then the other things as well that I would suggest you're reading. And once you have read it all, you can close it. And let's say if you want to apply to the affiliate program, for that, you have to select your online presence. So when you would have created an account with Flex Offers, you must have given your online presence. And when you're applying to the affiliate program, you have to select your online presence from here. So I'm going to go with my social media, all about affiliate marketing online presence. You can select yours and then you can click on apply with selected. When you do that, it will open up this overlay window. Over here, you can select, yes, I agree to the terms and conditions above, and then click on apply to program. When you do that, you will see this message. As you can see here, application received for restricted program. So this means the affiliate program team of Home Depot or the affiliate program team of Flex Offers have received your application. They will review and they'll see whether you're a good fit for the Home Depot affiliate program. If yes, they will give you the approval. How much time could they take? Well, they could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And once you have been approved, you would be able to find them in here within advertiser search itself. You can clear the search name from here, and within application status, you can select approved, and then you can click on search. So when you do that, you would be able to see all your approved brands. So assuming if you have been approved by Home Depot, you would be able to see them listed here. Now you have been approved. What can you do next? You can start promoting them, but to promote them, you can't just take any link from their website. For example, if you want to promote this section of theirs, the smart home, you won't be able to promote them directly by taking this link. You have to use tracking link. So how do you get the tracking link, or rather, how do you generate them? For that, you can hover over this link icon from the left-hand side menu bar, and you can click on link search. It will take you to the section. Over here, you can choose your traffic source. So whatever traffic source that you would have selected while applying and you have gotten the approval for, you can select the traffic source from here. Within advertiser search, you can select your approved brand. So let's say we get the approval from Home Depot, so you can search for Home Depot. But since we are still waiting for Home Depot to review and approve, I'm going to use another advertiser as an example. And for that, let me go with Levi's. So I'm going to select Levi's here, and then within content type, I have these three options. Let's say if you have been approved by Home Depot, you can select your traffic source, you can select the advertiser search here as Home Depot, and then you can decide you want to get banner links, widgets, or text link. Let's say I'm interested to get banner links. So I'm going to click on banner, and then I can click on search. So assuming you've been approved by Home Depot, you can search for Home Depot, and then choose the content type as banners and click on search. Over here, you would be able to see the available banner links. And if you want to get the links for them, you can simply click on view link, and from here you have all these details available. You got this link. This is a tracking URL. You can copy this link URL and you can share it with your audience. Now if you want to have an HTML version of the link so that you can integrate it from the backend of your website, then you can copy this. You just have to ensure you're selecting HTML from this drop down and then copying and pasting it at the backend of your website. You also got image, so you can select image and you can also download the image in case if you want to integrate it somehow. So this is how you can get the banner links. Same way if you want to have different kind of links. For example, you want to have widgets, so you can select widgets and you can do search. If widget would be available for that specific advertiser, you would be able to see them here. But usually advertisers do not provide widgets since it's high maintenance. Still, if you want to search for any advertiser providing widget, you can select the advertiser from advertiser search and search for the content type as widget. Now this is one of the way to get either text links, banner links, or widgets. Let's say you don't want to get the existing tracking links, but you want to create your own tracking links. For that, you can again hover over links and you can go to deep link generator. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can select the advertiser from advertiser search. Let's say I'm going to go with Levi's, just an example, but assuming you have been approved by Home Depot, go with Home Depot here. You can choose your traffic source for which you have been approved, and then you have to enter the URL. Assuming that I want to create a tracking link for this URL, I'm going to copy it and I will be coming to the section. I'm going to mention the URL in here and I can click on generate. What this will do, it will create a tracking link. As you can see, the original URL is this and deep link URL needs to match one of the following URL. So here I was trying to create a tracking link for Home Depot using the program Levi's, and that's why I got this message. But if I would have been creating it by selecting Home Depot from here, then it would have created the tracking link, and then I can integrate it the way I like, or I can share it with my audience. So this is how you can generate your own tracking link. What if you want to have product links for different advertisers that you have been approved, including Home Depot? For that, you can again hover over links. You can click on product search. It will take you this page. Over here, you can choose your traffic source. Let's say it is our advertiser. You can search for your advertiser as well. Let's say you search for Home Depot and then click on search. You would be able to see different products available for that specific advertiser that you would have selected about, including Home Depot. So this is how you can get the product links as well. Alright, so you have learned how to get banner links, text links, widget links, product links, and how to create your own tracking link. But the question arises, where can you promote Home Depot? There are many ways, but still I'm gonna cover a few. So one of the way is website. Now, doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Home Depot, you can promote Home Depot anywhere on your website, maybe homepage, maybe category page, basically a place where you feel like your audience are more empowered or encouraged to click on the links or maybe the banner links and can make a purchase, which will end up you getting commission. Second way is blog. Now, blog could be amazing here because you could write different blog posts about different products available in Home Depot website and put your tracking link for that product in your blog post. So this way, when people would read, they will click on those products links and they will buy the product, you will get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be amazing here because social media allows you to create a great type of content. You could create reels, videos, posts, totally up to you. So create these contents and put your tracking link somewhere within the description or maybe comment. It could help you in generating sale, and then it will turn into you getting commission. Fourth way is home decor or improvement website. Now, these kind of websites are more suited. Let's say as an affiliate, you have such kind of website available, then maybe you put different products of Home Depot on your website, just showcase them, maybe create a standalone section or maybe some other place on your website, which basically encourage people to look at home decor or improvement materials or the products on your website. And if they're interested, they can click on those products and can buy those products from Home Depot. So these are some of the ways you can promote Home Depot. What about the performance? So all the sales that you will bring to Home Depot, where would you see your performance? For that, you have to come to the Flex Offers Publisher Dashboard once again. Once you're here, you can look at the left-hand side menu bar once again, and this time hover over Reports and click on Performance. When you do that, it will take you to the section. Over here, you can select your traffic source from here. You can select date range, train, and you can run the report. This will allow you to see the performance. Then if you want to see the transaction details, you can click on transaction details. Again, select these things. You would be able to see the transactions that have occurred. Then we got account balance. So all the commission that has been accumulated in your account, you would be able to see it here. You would be able to see the track commission here, the pending commission here, and the approved commission here. And as you can see here, payments are sent to publishers on a net 60 basis. What that means is all the transactions that happen in the month of May, for example, you would be able to get it after 60 days of the month. That means somewhere during the first 10 days of August. So this is general term in the affiliate marketing, just so you know. Then we got payment status. So when you click here, you would be able to see all the payment status by advertiser. Ensuring payment transparency and timing aligned with your business need is crucial. So here they will show you how much commission they have already received from advertiser and how much they are still paying. So it kind of gives transparency to you. I'll let you know about your commission whereabout. So this is how you can see and track your performance and commission. But how would you receive that commission from Flex Offers? For that, you can look at your ID from the top right hand side. You can click here and you can click on payment settings, which will take you to the payment settings page. It will ask you to authenticate. So you can authenticate using the authentication method that you must have given. Let me authenticate from my account as well. After the authentication, you would be able to see all this information. You can click on address, you can update your address, then payment method. There are currently 4 payment methods available for you to choose from. One is check, PayPal, local bank transfer, and wire transfer. So you can choose any of these payment method followed by text form selection, and then you can submit the payment methods detail. Alright, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Home Depot. You apply to them, you get the approval, and you start promoting them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Home Depot. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.